welcome to our room. So this is our room apparently for 4 nights. And it is really, really lovely. So, the first room as you come in has got a washing machine, a tumble dryer, a sink. Oh, I don't think you're supposed to open that. And then, in here, we have a bathroom. Do you want to go and show them, Dad? Cameraman. And the shower. Then you have an iron and a hairdryer and some towels and some extra bedding. Then you walk through to the living area. Look at that view. And that's the stadium where the girls are going to go and see Harry Styles. So they're really excited about that, and it's fantastic. Then you've got 8 seats here for the 7 of us. All our luggage. And then all this area here. Look at the size of the TV. We have in this cupboard lots of big pans and dishes and
knives and forks.
Yeah, it's only 2 plates. I hope there's extra plates somewhere. And then a microwave. Wow. And then in here we have a freezer and a fridge. Oh, they've got Gustos, flat whites and milk in there. Then in here we have some Babyless and Harding stuff, some dishwasher things, a bin, some kitchen bags, and then in here some plates, some cups. I'm thinking weird plates. There's more plates, although I still don't think there's enough. In here there's wine glasses. In here there's knives, forks and spoons. In here, lots of different things. And in here, chopping boards. And then oven and dishwasher. Right, moving over to the bedroom. We have this bedroom, which is bedroom 1, double, which has got a wardrobe, and then behind it's got access outside. Then moving over to bedroom 2. Or do you want to see out on the balcony first? So this is the balcony with amazing views over the harbour. This is absolutely brilliant. What do you think of it, Dav?
It's amazing.
Amazing. So yeah, again there's the stadium. Fantastic. Oh, stunning, isn't it, Dav?
London Eye.
Yeah. London Eye has been flown over especially for us. Now come and see the other 2 bedrooms. Watch the step, cameraman. We have this bedroom, bedroom number 2, with a wardrobe. So every wardrobe has got plenty of coat hangers. This one has an ironing board. So whoever stays in here can do the ironing. Who would stay in a place like this? And then the last bedroom, which the SW family have offered to us, but we quite would like them to have it, is this huge bed, huge TV, lovely views, again. Lots and lots of wardrobe space. This one has a hoover in, a vacuum cleaner. And then more wardrobes, wardrobe space. Plenty for our 4 nights, and an ensuite. Fantastic. And that's it. Isn't that fantastic? Isn't it wonderful? We can't believe we're staying here in Melbourne, Australia for 4 nights. Thank you very much, Dav. See you later.